Now I believe this is a Mustad 2-watt live bait hook. I got to check on that. And I put the hook starting from the bottom, going to the top of the head, and it comes on the head of the carapace, meaning the top part, because that's the thickest part of the flea, because it burrows all the time. It needs that as armor. Okay guys, check this out. Sand fleas or sand turtles, whatever you want to call them. I'll be using these for bait today on the flats. Never used it on the flats before. Let's see what happens. Okay, when I make my leaders for my sand fleas, I find that on the average 30-pound leader line is good, and I like these hooks here. These are the 2-watts. So the 2-watts are these are the live bait hooks. I find these work fairly well. I can put one decent size flea on it or 2 medium fleas on it. And this one here is the 40-pound leader, a little bit bigger. It's a 3-aught size, and this is the ring live bait. And I can just again use one big one, or I can go 2 mediums. I can break it up. I can go medium and large. Depends what you want to do, but this works very well. Thank you. And I prefer to pre-bag everything, so I don't do anything on location. Everything's ready. Yeah, I got one on the hook going towards the head, because that's where the carapace of the thickness of the head is thickest. So I start from the bottom, work my way up. Oops. Okay, hold on. Work my way up. So it goes to the hunchback. See, look at that, right in the thickest part. And there you have it. I can use one big one or 2 medium ones. This one's 2 medium ones on a 1-aught live bait hook by Mustad. And I'm loosening my fleas. I only brought 2 dozen, so I'm putting 1 on instead of 2 every time. And it's starting to pour, so I don't know how much longer I can stay here. Oh, it was a crab. It was a Hawaiian crab, huh? Yeah, Hawaiian crab, and it came off. Okay, what have I learned so far fishing with sand fleas? At first, going with a 4-foot lead line and a 6-foot leader wasn't working because the leader kept getting wrapped around the lead line. So instead, I went with a about maybe a 2-foot leader and a 4 to 5 inch lead line. Now I'm starting to hit. So that was the problem before, is that the lines were getting tangled, twisting up. So this way, there's no twisting. I already got one massive hit. Came off. Something's stealing my baits here, so I might have to go just one on the hook, because there seems to be fish out there. I know the rainman, not rainman, the mailman Creed through rain, sleet, slow, but it's boring. Jesus. So after I left about 15 minutes down the road, I found a nice sandy beach, and I was able to replenish my sand flea supply. So thank you for watching.